I'm going to talk about health insurance. Obviously, I'm interested in health insurance. A lot of my patients use it to have their hip replacement treatment. I have health insurance. I had it for years. It's an expensive product, but I like the reassurance of knowing that I can use it if there's a crisis for me or my family, and then we can get access to rapid healthcare from people I know and trust. But not everybody's in that position, and the cost of living, of course, at the moment is through the roof. Interest rates are high, there's no money around, and of course everything's getting more expensive. I've just renewed my premium for my health insurance this year, and of course, like everything, it's going up and up and up. The reason for that obviously is inflation, cost of living, all those other factors, but of course health insurance is unique in that the older we get, the more likely we are to use it. And for many people, it becomes prohibitively expensive. So I'm going to look at a little bit about health insurance, how it works, and then look at some of the alternatives to health insurance that some people use. So health insurance has been around for a long time. Many countries base their health services on insurance policies, some of them underwritten by the government, others by private companies. In this country, we have a number of private health insurers, people like Bupa, AXA PPP, the Exeter and WPA. I'm with the Exeter at the moment. I find them particularly good. WPA I've used in the past and Bupa, but they all provide much the same products. If you're buying health insurance, you need to be very careful about what you're buying into. They are very complex products, and it's often helpful to use a broker. They can help you navigate through the complexities of health insurance and what you're getting for your money, because not all health insurance policies cover everything. You can't go to some hospitals, you may not have physiotherapy included, mental health or some disease categories. You also might be expected to pay quite a big excess to try and keep the policy premiums down. So be very careful about what you're buying into. Ask your friends, because some of them may have health insurance and they'll have their own experiences of how they work. As I say, I use the Exeter. I think it's particularly good at the moment. They have very good customer support. They'll be very helpful to me and my family when we've needed it. But if you don't have health insurance, what are your alternatives then if you want to have private treatment? Well, one of the things that you can do is to have what's called self-pay treatment. Most private hospitals offer this. They'll even offer you an interest-free loan if you want to buy treatment. The cost of a hip replacement in the south of England is between £16,000 and £17,000, which is a lot of money for anybody to find. But some people have that money and they'll use it to buy healthcare. If you don't have it, you can take out a loan. But what a lot of people do is have a rainy day fund. So rather than buy health insurance or when they've given it up, they'll put some money aside every month, put it into a tax-efficient savings plan like an ISA. And the money's there then if there's a disaster. So if you need to have your hip replaced, you want to have it done quickly, you've got a pot of money there which you can use. Hopefully it will never rain, and at some point you've got a pot of money which you can do anything with. Clear the mortgage, look after your grandchildren, or go on a big world cruise, whatever you want to do with it. So that's quite a good way of planning for unexpected health problems. Obviously the NHS is there for disasters. If you were to have a heart attack or a stroke or get cancer, then the NHS is there, and when you get access to NHS treatment, it's usually first rate. The problem, of course, is the delay in getting to see the right people, and that's where private health can accelerate that process for many people. So I hope that's been helpful for you. If you've got any questions about hip replacements, hip surgery, or about health insurance, let me know. But my contact details are in the description below. If you've got any questions or comments, just stick them below and I answer everybody's questions. See you all again next time. Thanks for watching.